We're offering a complimentary workshop that gives you a taster of all of the components that we utilize in the Z Health training. That is brain-based movement training. So we will do, in the 2-hour workshop, little illustrations, little experiences of body movement work. Can you move your joints in a certain way? We will do work with your vision. That might be, can you move your eyes with your head staying in place when I do like this? Can you bring your eyes back to center? We will do hand-eye coordination work, like bouncing the ball and catching it with the letter that you identify out loud as you catch the ball. And we will be doing balance work on 2 feet in a variety of positions. And what the goal of the 2-hour workshop is, so that you get to experience the multiple ways, the multiple avenues and options that you may have to develop an improvement of any skill that you may wish to acquire or continue developing. So we hope to see you here June 16th, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you.